A question is given such that we need to determine the average power consumed by 50 ohm resistor. In the given question, a circuit diagram is given, and in circuit diagram we have seen active components are there. So let's start. First of all, we need to convert inductor and capacitor in their Laplace domain. So 20 ohm mega ohm Henry inductor is equal to j omega L, where omega is the frequency whose value is given 1000. On solving this, we get 20 milli Henry is equal to 20 J. Similarly, we can write for the capacitor. On solving this, we can get minus 25 J. Here J will go on numerator, so it's come. Now we can rewrite on the circuit diagram. Here we consider as a node voltage. Now we need to do the nodal analysis. So in order to apply nodal analysis, we have three paths from where the current will flow. This is the second path, this is the third path. So writing the current equation, we can get minus 6 plus B minus 0 by 50 minus 25J plus B minus 20Ix upon 20J plus 10 is equal to 0. On solving this, bringing out 25 common from the denominator. In this, we need to bring out 10 common from the denominator. Now we need to multiply 4 on numerator and denominator for the simplicity. Similarly, on this we need to multiply 10 on numerator and denominator for the simplicity. Now it's come 4b upon 2 minus j. Similarly, 10b minus 200ix upon 2j plus 1 is equal to 600. As we have seen on earlier, Ix is equal to V upon 50 minus 2J. Consider this as a question number 1. Now consider this as a question number 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, we can write putting the value of Ix that we obtain in equation number 1. We have bring down common 25. So it will cancel it out. Taking the LCM on both sides, finally we have obtained V multiply minus 2j into 16 is equal to 600 4j plus 2 again plus 2 then minus j. On solving this, we get 3j plus 4. So finally we can write 600 into 3j plus 4 upon 16 minus 2j, bringing out 2 common in the denominator. We will get So we can write just in this step we will rationalize, basically multiply 8 plus j on both numerator and denominator. On solving this we can get 24j minus 3 plus 32 plus 4j, 65 on denominator, 28j plus 29 upon 65. So we can write P in the polar coordinates. So it is equal to 133.85 plus 129.23 J. In the polar coordinates we obtain the value of B is equal to 186.05 and angle is 43.994. Similarly, we can also obtain the value of Ix in the polar coordinates. We have obtained the value of Ix in equation number 1. Putting the value of V, before that we will write the polar coordinates of a denominator. So on solving this we will get 3.328 and angle is 70 plus 70.56. Finally, we have obtained current is equal to 3.328 and angle is 70.56. So the current we have obtained, so its magnitude is maximum value. So we need to determine IRMS, which is equal to I max upon under root 2. On solving this we will get IRMS. IRMS stand for root mean square is equal to 2.35 ampere. So now we need to determine the power across the 50 ohm resistor, which is given by P is equal to I square into R. So from the given question we have seen the current across the 50 ohm resistor is Ix. Putting the value of I and R, we have get 276.806 watt. So our power consumed by 50 ohm resistor is 276.806. Let's highlight it. Thank you.